The analysis confirms the exact chemical composition, ensuring the polymers meet the stringent temperature and
Specialized polymer granules are analyzed by a robotic arm equipped with X-ray fluorescence technology.
Dentro aqui vê dentes.
Centrible. With the digital sign-off complete, the system confirms material fluctuation.
The blank PCB substrates for the body control module enter a dedicated cleanroom washing system.
Stainless steel hoppers feed miniature, gold-plated brass terminals into high-speed crimping machines, prepared for instantaneous attachment to the stripped copper wires.
Surface mount components, microprocessors, and specialized connectors are organized into automated feeders.
A flexible, split corrugated plastic tube is automatically slipped over the main trunk lines of the engine wiring harness.
A massive, high-rack storage crane retrieves a batch of sealed engine wiring harness containers and places
Specialized crimping heads and terminal insertion tools are placed into automated cleaning and calibration stations.
Specific shutdown of process A signifies the completion of the wiring harnesses. Only then can the high-speed assembly of process B begin.
An advanced high-resolution AOI system checks every component placement and solder joint for defects. The system uses multiple
This stress test verifies the reliability of the soldering and components under the fluctuating
This movement signifies the completion of the secondary product manufacturing phase, preparing the BCM for its eventual integration.
All clips secured on this side. Confirmed. The BCM connection point is ready.
The body control module is fixed onto its designated mounting bracket inside the Blu Tour de France chassis cabin area. A specialized sonic sensor precisely checks the ultrasonic weld seam, ensuring the BCM housing is perfectly sealed against the elements. Secondary wiring looms for the dashboard and infotainment are connected to the body control module, completing the integration.
Upon receiving the wireless signal, the body control module initiates the sequence.
The body control module provides precise motor control and sensor management, ensuring the windows stop perfectly at the seal every time.
seatbelt tensioners, managed by the body control module, subtly adjust to secure the driver. This vital safety
The body control module instantly verifies the encrypted signal, allowing for seamless keyless entry, illustrating the
The Portofino M smoothly merges onto a motorway, the throttle response managed instantly by the body control module.